In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Payoneer balance. If you want a quick, reliable way to see how much money you have across different currencies, follow along and I'll walk you through it clearly, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be on a computer or a mobile device, whatever you use most comfortably. In the search bar, type Payoneer and press Enter. Using a search engine is helpful if you don't have the site bookmarked, and it also reduces the chance of mistyping the address. Next, click on the correct link to the official Payoneer website. Look for the official domain and the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Be cautious of ads or lookalike links and avoid any pages that ask for information before you're on the actual Payoneer site. If you already have the official site saved as a bookmark, you can use that instead. On the Payoneer homepage, select the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right. This takes you to the secure login page where you can access your account. Now, enter your registered email address and your password carefully. Make sure there are no typos and keep your login details private. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it autofill to reduce errors. Only enter your information on the official site you verified a moment ago. If you're logging in from a new device or location, you may be asked to confirm a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Keep the login page open, retrieve the code, and enter it promptly. This extra verification protects your account and is normal. Never share these codes with anyone. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. Here, your balances are displayed prominently, often as separate cards for different currencies like USD, EUR, or GBP. You'll typically see the available amount for each currency at a glance. If a payment is still processing, you might notice a difference between pending and available amounts, so focus on the available balance for what you can use right now. To dive deeper, click on the specific currency card you're interested in. This opens the details for that balance, where you can view your recent transaction history, check incoming and outgoing payments, and monitor any fees or conversions that may apply. Use the filters or date ranges to quickly find a particular transaction and confirm that your balance reflects the latest activity. And that's it. You've searched for Payoneer, opened the official site, signed in securely, completed verification if needed, viewed your balances on the home page, and explored the details for any currency you choose.